In a cozy little bedroom tucked away in a quiet neighborhood, there lived a collection of toys that were more than just plastic and fuzz. There was Benny the brave bear, Lex the silly lizard, and Susie the smart doll. What the children who owned them didn't know was that when the lights went out and the door clicked shut, these toys came to life. One night, as the moonlight bathed the room in silver, excitement buzzed among the toys. They had heard whispers of a secret treasure hidden somewhere in the house, and tonight they were determined to find it. Benny, who was always courageous, said, "Let's start by checking the toy box. It's the perfect place for a treasure to hide." The toys huddled together, struggling to lift the heavy lid. When they finally managed to peer inside, the box was filled with more toys and a bright red ribbon. "Oh, that's just Emily's birthday ribbon," Lex giggled, his tail swaying with amusement. "Well, a treasure hunt isn't complete without a clue," Susie declared smartly. She pointed to a corner of the room where a faint glisten caught her eye. "What about there?" The toys tiptoed over to find a tiny golden key shimmering in the moonlight. "This must lead to something," Benny said, his eyes twinkling with the thrill of adventure. The trio decided to try the key on every lock they could find, but none seemed to fit. Disheartened but not ready to give up, they finally approached the little chest that sat at the foot of the bed. The key fit perfectly. With a gentle turn, the chest creaked open, revealing an array of brightly colored marbles, glistening like miniature planets.